If you're a car owner, you know that keeping your vehicle clean, well-maintained, and in top shape can sometimes feel like a full-time job. But what if I told you that you could make your car care routine faster, easier, and even more enjoyable? In today's video, I'll be showing you 8 amazing car care accessories that every car owner should have. These are some of the best-rated products on Amazon, and they will not only keep your ride looking spotless, but also improve its overall maintenance. So stick around until the end, and don't forget to check the links in the description below to grab these must-have accessories. First up, we have the Polidiki Car Cleaning Gel, a fun and effective way to keep your car's interior dust-free. This cleaning gel is perfect for reaching those tricky areas like air vents, cup holders, gear shifts, and dashboard buttons where dust loves to hide. The best part? It's reusable. Just press the gel into any crevice and watch as it picks up dust and dirt like magic. Once it gets dirty, simply fold it over and keep using it until it's time to replace it. Super affordable and incredibly satisfying to use. This is a must-have for keeping your car's interior fresh and clean. Key features include reusable and eco-friendly. The gel can be used multiple times until it changes color, indicating it's time for a replacement. Versatile application beyond car interiors. It's also effective for cleaning keyboards, remote controls, and other electronic devices. You can purchase this product through the link in the description below. Next, let's talk about the KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and compact device that makes cleaning your car effortless. This vacuum is designed to quickly suck up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and even small debris from every corner of your car. It comes with multiple attachments, including a crevice tool and a brush nozzle, making it easy to clean seats, carpet, and tight spaces. With its strong suction power and lightweight design, this handheld vacuum is a game changer for keeping your car spotless. Key features include high-power suction, equipped with a robust motor that ensures thorough cleaning. Compact and lightweight, easy to maneuver and store, making it convenient for regular use. Multiple attachments, includes a crevice tool, brush nozzle, and extension hose to reach every corner of your car. Check the link below to grab yours now. Winter can be brutal, and if you live in a snowy area, you need this Astro AI snow brush and ice scraper. This heavy-duty tool features a soft yet durable brush to sweep away snow without scratching your car, while the built-in ice scraper efficiently removes frost and ice from your windshield. It's 27 inches long, giving you extra reach, and the foam grip makes it comfortable to use even in freezing temperatures. No more struggling with frozen windshields in the morning. This tool will get the job done in seconds. Key features include dual functionality. One end features a brush to remove snow, while the other end has an ice scraper to tackle frost and ice. Ergonomic design. The foam grip provides comfort during use, and the 27-inch length offers extended reach. Detachable parts for easy storage and versatility. Get yours today from the link below. If you love washing your car at home, the SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun will take your car cleaning routine to the next level. This foam gun attaches directly to your garden hose and sprays a thick layer of foam, making it easy to wash away dirt and grime. The included microfiber wash mitt is super soft and won't scratch your car's paint, ensuring a streak-free shine. Why spend money at car washes when you can get professional results at home? This kit is a game changer for DIY car detailing. Key features include adjustable foam concentration. Customize the foam level based on your cleaning needs. Easy connection. Attaches seamlessly to standard garden hoses without additional equipment. Premium microfiber mitt. Ensures gentle cleaning, protecting your car's paint from scratches. Check out the link below to get yours. Ever struggled to clean the inside of your windshield? This windshield cleaning tool solves that problem instantly. With its long handle and pivoting head, this tool allows you to easily clean your windshield from the inside, reaching every corner without stretching awkwardly. The microfiber pad removes dirt, fog, and smudges effortlessly, making your windshield crystal clear and improving visibility while driving. Perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleaning, this tool is a must-have for every car owner. Key features include pivoting head. Adapts to the curvature of the windshield for comprehensive cleaning. Extendable handle. Reaches tight corners and lower areas without straining. Washable microfiber pads. Reusable pads that effectively remove dirt and grime. Link in the description below. Another amazing product we have is the Chemical Guys HOL 12614-piece Arsenal Builder. If you're serious about car detailing, this all-in-one kit has everything you need: high-quality car shampoos, wax, wool cleaner, microfiber towels, and even a foam gun for that perfect deep clean. Whether you're washing, waxing, or protecting your car, this kit has all the premium products needed to keep your ride looking like new. This is the ultimate detailing kit for car enthusiasts, and it makes a great gift too. Key features: comprehensive kit includes car wash soap, wool cleaner, glass cleaner, microfiber towels, applicator pads, and a foam gun. High-quality formulations. Each product is formulated to deliver superior cleaning and protection. User-friendly tools. The included foam gun connects to standard hoses, making it easy to apply foam evenly. Grab yours now through the link in the description. The seventh product on our list is the Armor All Protectant glass and cleaning wipes, which offer a convenient solution to keep your car's interior surfaces spotless and protected. Keeping your car's interior looking fresh and clean is essential for both comfort and longevity. The Armor All Protectant glass and cleaning wipes provide an all-in-one solution for maintaining your car's dashboard, glass, and interior surfaces with ease. This triple pack is designed to help you clean, shine, and protect different parts of your vehicle effortlessly. Key features include protectant wipes, designed to rejuvenate and protect vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. These wipes help prevent cracking, fading, and discoloration caused by UV exposure. Glass wipes, formulated to clean automotive glass. These wipes aim to provide a streak-free shine, enhancing visibility without leaving residue. Cleaning wipes. These are intended for general cleaning purposes, effectively removing dirt, dust, and grime from various interior surfaces. If you want a quick, easy, and effective way to keep your car's interior spotless, this Armor All Wipes combo pack is a must-have. Check it out on Amazon from the link below. Finally, the eighth product on our list is Tesla Seat Cleaner and Stain Remover. Maintaining the pristine condition of your Tesla's interior, especially its unique vegan leather seats, is essential for both aesthetics and longevity. The Tesla Seat Cleaner and Stain Remover offers a specialized solution tailored to meet the specific needs of Tesla owners, ensuring your vehicle's interior remains spotless and well protected. Key features include eco-friendly and biodegradable, safe for both your car and the environment. Vegan leather safe, specially formulated for Tesla's black and white seats without causing damage. Multi-surface use, cleans seats, dashboard, and console effectively. Pleasant scent, leaves a fresh, subtle fragrance without being overpowering. Incorporating the Tesla Seat Cleaner and Stain Remover into your regular vehicle maintenance routine will help preserve the luxurious look and feel of your Tesla's interior. Its specialized formulation ensures that your vegan leather seats and other surfaces remain in top condition, reflecting the premium quality of your vehicle. You can visit the product through the link in the description. And that wraps up our list of 8 amazing car care accessories available on Amazon. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in getting any of these products, check out the links in the description to support the channel while upgrading your car care routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome car care tips. Until next time, drive safe and keep your ride looking fresh.